What's up? It is the start of another video. I'm in a fantastic mood today because yesterday I hit 100,000 subscribers and today someone really special is coming to visit me. I have kept this secret surprise, well I guess we both have, for a couple weeks now. I'm gonna still continue to keep it a surprise. I'll give you a hint. One of her favorite foods is Oreos. Some of you guys have already been guessing and you've been getting really close. I told special guests to go shopping in the airport because Portland International Airport is like one of the best airports in the country. My map says that we're like 13 minutes away. That's not that bad. Okay, we are currently looking for special guests. She says she's over by Alaska. We are over by Alaska. Let's see. Where is she? Oh, she's gotta be like over here. She might be upstairs, honestly. She is.
Hello.
Wait, are you upstairs?
Downstairs?
Yeah, go downstairs, then turn left. Or turn right, turn right.
Okay, I'll be there in a second.
Okay, so that might have just given it away. Should we just say, it's Keegan! Keegan's coming to visit me, staying for like a week, and I'm so excited. Welcome to PDX, Keegan. Hello?
Is it the very downstairs? I think I see your car.
Oh my god, I see you. I miss you. Kiara. Oh my god. I got your favorites and I got you healthy and unhealthy because, you know.
You're the cutest person I've ever seen.
How was your trip?
Lots of like flying.
Showing Keegan around my favorite, what's this place called? Shopping, like a grocery store slash food place. We got a lot of poke. Keegan goes, oh my god, it's so crazy. There's so many trees next to the shopping center. I'm like, welcome to Oregon, honey. I like the head thing. That's really cool. Really like that couch. It's really nice. Got you with all your food. Keegan and I are eating our caprese sandwiches by the lake. Beautiful view. I just can't believe you're actually in the presence like of my location. This is kind of amazing. I think it's a miracle.
This doesn't feel like real life to me. I'm jealous you get to live this life.
No, I want to live your life, but I want to live it in the wintertime when it's like colder here. How am I full already? Usually down this thing so fast.
What did you eat today?
Well, I had a Jamba Juice, but that's it. We're probably gonna go to my casa. Catch you later.
So confusing.
She thinks it should be flipped.
In the camera, wait, flip, you, Kiara, like when you're editing, flip it.
Oh!
This is what it looks like now, guys. This is what it really looks like. This is not fake.
We got some packages. Do you want to open them?
Ooh, unboxing.
I got us balloons for 300K and 100K.
Like the 00K.
Yes. Actually, no, because I thought about that later. So we might not blow up all of them. Yeah, I might return some of them because I didn't really think about that. But yeah, I got us some balloons.
We're vlogging and watching someone vlog.
The ultimate vlogception. We are gonna probably like try on an outfit to see if we have something to wear to take those photos later. We're gonna try to find an outfit. If we don't have an outfit, we're going shopping to Aritzia because she's never been to Aritzia and they're having a sale right now and their sale stuff doesn't last very long, so we're trying to like, you know, sweep the sale stuff, you know what I'm saying? We're going shopping. We're taking Keegan to Aritzia, aka my home. My hair looks so bad right now. Oh my god, whoa. Thank you, darling. Are you ready for this? Are you ready to spend all your money? There's a sale. It's so cute. Like Keegan.
Oh, those are so cute.
Aren't they so cute?
I can find that at Forever 20.
Keegan literally is picking out all the things I own. She's like, you wore this. Cute, I like that. They're so comfy, you know? But the shirt is it's a little much. They're not that expensive, I'm gonna get them. I got the shorts, they're super cute. Keegan was so good and controlled herself. I'm so proud of you. Now we're going to Forever 21. I found a backpack for Keegan for back to school. What do you think? Try it on.
Man, it kind of looks like a person.
She thought that was a person.
Can I guess the price?
Yeah, I'm gonna guess $17.50.
$22.90.
It could just be your friend when you're feeling lonely. My mom and I used to play this game where she would tell me that those girls were being punished. Oh yeah, I told you about this. And like if they have hair, they didn't do something as bad. If they don't have heads, like they did something really bad. Real bad.
Hello, Kiara's vlog. I'm taking over. And that lady just stared at me. Kiara's getting candy. Ooh, sorry, I'm distracted.
2 watermelon gummy rings, only 2.
Only 2?
Gotta be exact because I don't like to spend over $3. We really like to budget our money.
Budget-friendly sisters. I've been watching too much James Charles. I'm like coming for his brand.
The sour stuff at the top fades onto the not sour stuff at the bottom, so those just become like really nice. 4, only 4.
Ooh.
Lemonade, always.
Ooh.
One of those. You only get 1 per color. Love when you find the little ones, save more money. Strawberry and apple or just apple? It's already getting heavy, I can feel it. So that's all we can afford.
We're balling on a budget. Oh girls, they wanna have fun. Oh girls, just wanna have fun. Oh girls, just wanna have fun.
There's our balloons. There's Keegan. She's gonna transport our balloons. So beautiful. Keegan? balloons. Yeah, it's gonna work. Pure dedication. I love this. I love this. Here we go. Photo time. Scouting out locations. Look how perfect this wall is. And the lighting's so good right here. Okay, ladies, gents, this is really much harder than it looks. We've been battling a slight breeze in this alleyway. Keegan's wrestling with the 300. My little one balloon over there.
Behind the scenes, we are taping balloons.
This is what moms are for. All right, it's Keegan's turn. 300,000. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe right now. We got our pics. We're really excited. We're starving. We're gonna get on the boat and go to my favorite restaurant and get dinner.